Okay, so sometimes we have problems with the limit orders. I was using right now and a ATM that that tightens the stop. So with the NQ you cannot use that. Over here was a winner and the tight stop took me out here at break even and the market just dropped. Okay, so in here you need to be proactive. This is the mini Nasdaq, so I'm using two contracts. Okay, so you gotta be very aware that this market is very strong, so you gotta be careful. Or you can use a trade copier, okay? Because what happens with the mini and the micro doesn't have, it has a lot of volume, but dollar wise, it's not the same. A mini is $5 a tick, a micro is 50 cents a tick. So it's 10 micros for one mini. Okay, so you can see hundreds and hundreds of contracts on the tape or in the volume ladder, but it's you can see 300 400 contracts on the on the mini. It's you do the math, 40 times 10, so it's a lot of volume. So it's worth better looking at the mini because the money over here is institutional, so it's stronger. Sometimes you see here green and you say why it didn't took a trade. Okay, so we have another filter that if that filter is not true here, it will not take the trade. So we need that momentum to be applied here for us to take a trade. Else it will just have all the conditions 90%, but the 10% is missing, so there's no trade. So like I said, the reversals are very nice. You see these triangles up. Okay, so these are very helpful for your trading. Okay, so this tells you exactly, if you bought the program, this tells you exactly what they mean. So it's very important. There you go, was a winner. Like I said, you see over here the 10% that was over here, it was not present. It was present here, so the trade was taken here. So it's a recipe. Okay, so it works when market is in a good momentum. But like I said, don't overtrade. So right now here we are done for the day. It's 5:20. The scalper will not take more trades, and the momentum is at 500. It's almost done too.